Hey, what are you doing on Thursday? If you're free at 7:30 p.m. UK time this Thursday, December 10th, I'd love to invite you to this free workshop that I'm going to be doing. If you're working from home or if you're working at a computer and you're getting neck or shoulder or upper back pain, this workshop is for you. We're going to be talking about why good posture is so uncomfortable, what good posture actually is, and how you can make it feel a lot less awkward so you're sitting at your desk properly instead of punching forward all the time. Then we're going to go through this 1-minute stretch that is super effective. We give it to all of our clients who have neck and shoulder pain, and they usually say it instantly makes their neck or upper back or shoulder feel 50 to 70% better. It's something you can do in your day-to-day life. You can do it anywhere. It only takes a minute. And we're also going to talk about common mistakes that people make, common mistakes with stretching, common mistakes with sitting in good posture, and the things that people do that they're trying to help their neck and shoulder pain, but it actually just ends up making it worse, and why those things make it worse. So if you'd like to feel more comfortable at your desk or computer or your work from home workstation, and you maybe have some questions around any of these topics, we're going to spend 55 minutes working on that, and then we're going to have time for some Q&A at the end, and I would absolutely love to see you. Also, if you know anybody else who'd like to join, please feel free to share this link with them so they can sign up as well. The details, the sign up should be either below if this is YouTube, on one of the sides if this is Facebook, or on my website. Thanks so much for checking this out, and I hope to see you on Thursday. Bye.